In this bag, there is $300,000. And in this book, there is information about how to make money, how to make wealth. There are secrets about money in this book. Which would you choose? Information or money? No, don't choose the money. Choose information. That's how you make money. Listen, money itself is fake. Money is an idea whose value is backed up by the importance that we place on it. Money is not made out of gold. Money is not backed up by gold standard. Money is simply paper that can be printed out of thin air. One paper money itself costs less than 20 cents to produce, and yet we can assume or we can place on it importance that the same piece of paper that costs less than 20 cents to produce is worth more than 120 grams of gold. It doesn't make sense. Money is fake. Money is a scam. It's an illusion. And honestly, choose information. Now, that's not what I want to talk about really. Let's talk about the rat race. Many people associate the rat race with job. When you hear the term the rat race, you quickly assume that we're talking about the 9-to-5 job. That's not what the rat race is. I will explain to you what the rat race is. The rat race is a term that is associated or defined by living paycheck to paycheck. You get a paycheck, expenses consume it up. You get a paycheck, consume it up. Obviously, we all have needs. You need to send some home to family. You need to take care of family. You need to take care of your own self, all these things. But understand that that is the rat race. You keep running around in cycles. What is the need to make money if only to blow it up? I say the really important thing is not to make money. The most important thing is how to manage money. Because if you think about it, we have all been here for a while, for a couple of years now. We have all made money. The problem is that not that we have not made money. The problem is we can't account for the money we have made for. We can't show the figures. We can't show where it went to. So the real problem is managing money, not really making money. Many people try to ask questions like how they can make more from online, but they never really ask questions about how to manage money. Many celebrities have made wealth, they have made huge sums of money, and they have all lost it all due to bad management or just something that has to do with lack of management. So to get out of the right system, really, you have to learn management skills about money. You have to learn personal finance. And the other thing I would say is it doesn't stop by learning management, because management of money really has to do with cutting down the cost of your living and increasing your savings, right? That's really when we talk about management. There are many aspects, also budgeting, investing, all these things, but it all goes down to reducing your cost of living and increasing your savings, so that when opportunity comes, you can invest in something. But when we talk about how to make money, that's not really how to make money. That's the steps of cutting down so that you have something to invest when the opportunity comes. But how to make money has to do with your production and your consumption. That's how the rich make money. What you have to do is, when you reduce your consumption, you have to produce. If you reduce your consumption and your production value does not go high, you are still running around in cycle as a rat. You are still engaged in the rat race. When you reduce your cost of living, which is your consumption, find a way to increase your production. That's really how to make money. I have said countless times on this channel that to make money, really, you have to find some sort of problem or challenge that has a large number of people need it. A problem that a large number of people have, and they need a solution to which they are willing to pay you for the solution. You have to sort of produce something, a product, a service, and access to some sort of numbers you have on social media, whatever it is. But you need to produce. You can't make videos like this. What I'm doing now, I'm producing value. You sort of have to produce so that you can increase your income, your earnings, as you reduce your production. The goal I'm trying to make is to get out of the rat race. You have to stop living paycheck to paycheck. You get a paycheck just to blow it up and to wait for the next one. You'll be broke for a really, really long time. You get out of that system, reduce your consumption rate, and don't just reduce your consumption rate, increase your production capability. I want to make this video very short. Increase your production capability. If you don't have anything you're producing, you are on the wrong track, my friend. If you're not producing anything, you simply go to a company to help them to work job. And there is nothing wrong with doing job. A lot of people love their job. A lot of people are on a job hoping to establish something in the future. There's nothing wrong with that. But if all you do is to go there to get a paycheck, blow it up and wait for the next paycheck, you are on the right race, my friend. Really, it's not a job that makes you in a rat race. It's the paycheck to paycheck that makes you in a rat race. And if you are doing that, you are on a wrong track. Reduce your cost of living, reduce your consumption, find something to produce and increase your production value. That's how you get out of the rat system. Thank you for watching. I hope I was able to provide some sort of value, even though these are common concepts to all know, but sometimes you sort of need someone to just hit you with it in a way that resonates with you. And I really hope I was able to bring you some sort of value. Till I come your way again, see you. And remember, don't choose the bag. Go for information. See you.